harmoniously framed within the landscape, between the calm of nature and the vastness of the ocean, rises the sophisticated Savoy Residence Monumentalis. Here, an everlasting residential story takes shape in a privileged setting in Funchal. Crafted with the excellence of AFA Group and RH Arquitectos, each residence is a private villa with balconies and terraces extending the interior living space, gardens, private pools, and uninterrupted sea views. Attention to detail and an architecture that breathes exclusivity. Every space is designed to elevate the idea of home. Noble materials and refined finishes redefine quality. A hotel-inspired experience turned residential living with reception and concierge, a gym and a shared infinity pool, where luxury is in life's simplest moments. In this urban oasis, nature and tranquility are ever present. A place to call home. Be the leading role of a new residential chapter in this award-winning project.